How to make white towels white again. If you have white towels, you may notice that they might not be as white as they used to be. Wouldn't you love to have your towels bright white again like the day you bought them? In order to get your towels back to sparkling white, try the following solutions. Chlorine bleach. If the wash label on your towels allows it, wash your towels in hot water with chlorine bleach and your regular detergent. Do not use chlorine bleach on any towel color other than bright white. In order to make sure the water in your washer starts out hot, run water in a nearby sink until it turns hot before starting the washer. You can even boil water in a kettle on your stove and add the boiling water to your washer to get the water extra hot. After you have started the washer, add about 1/2 to 3/4 cup of bleach to a full load. Be careful not to get any on your clothes. When the water is about 1/3 full in your washer, add your towels. Once the wash has started agitating for about 5 minutes, you may want to stop the washer for about an hour or two and let everything soak. Run an extra rinse cycle when using bleach to ensure the bleach is rinsed out of the towels thoroughly. You may want to wash the towels in just bleach and hot water without detergent, then wash them again immediately after using your normal detergent to ensure all of the bleach has been removed and they smell fresh. Bleach can eat away your towel fibers, so don't let the bleach sit for more than a few hours. Don't use too much bleach, and don't bleach your towels too often. Borax. Borax is a detergent booster that has been used for over 100 years. You can add 1/2 cup of borax to your laundry to increase its cleaning capabilities and odor removal. Consider using borax with the bleach method. Powdered dishwasher soap. In addition to the bleach, regular detergent, and borax, consider adding 1 cup of powdered dishwasher detergent to the mix. All 4 cleaners working together should get your towels ultra white. Lemon juice or vinegar. You can use lemon juice or vinegar to whiten linens. Bring 2 gallons of water to a boil on your stove. Add 1/2 cup of lemon juice or vinegar. Stir the mixture, then remove the pot from the heat. Add in your towels and let them soak for an hour or so. Wash the linens as usual, preferably in hot water. Make sure to only soak similar fabrics. Do not mix some cotton and some linen. The lemon juice or vinegar solution will also make your home's air feel fresher. Hang outside. A traditional method for keeping towels white is to hang them in the sun. The sun bleaches the towels a bit and keeps them white, not to mention makes them smell great. Many people believe that sunlight is the best disinfectant. Bluing. After using the bleach, regular detergent, borax, and dishwasher soap method, you can use bluing if your towels are not as white as you want. Bluing adds a tiny bit of blue color to your whites to counterbalance a yellow color and make them appear whiter. Most fabrics are naturally a gray color instead of plain white, so adding the blue to the dull white makes them seem bright white. Bluing should be added to the final rinse of a laundry cycle. Follow the directions on the package for the best results. No cheap detergent. Cheap laundry detergent can make your white towels look dingy after just a few washes. Now that you have made your white towels white again, keep them white by using high-quality detergent. Make sure to not use too much laundry detergent, else your washing machine may not be able to rinse all of the soap away and your towels will remain dingy.